4.1.12, the Binomial Theorem, Part 1. For Leaving Cert Maths, higher level only, this video was produced by the UCD Math Support Center in conjunction with the UCD Access Center. So here's some new notation. N with an exclamation mark is pronounced n factorial, and it means n multiplied by every number before n down as far as 1. So it's n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times, and we keep going down as far as 3 times 2 times 1. So some examples: 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1, that's 6. 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, again down as far as 1, and that turns out to be 120. And 1 factorial is 1, and 0 factorial is also 1 by definition. And you can do these on your calculator, so make sure you know where that button is. Now here's another concept. We can choose R objects from n objects in the following way. We use some new notation, nr surrounded by brackets, and it's pronounced n choose r. And that's equal to, again by definition, n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So an example here, 5 choose 2. How many ways can you choose 2 objects from 5? So that's equal to 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 5 minus 2 factorial. And that becomes 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 factorial. So let's work out what that is. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. On the bottom, 2 factorial is 2 times 1, and 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. And that's 120 over 12, which turns out to be 10. And you can also do that on your calculator. So again, make sure you know where the n choose r button is. But also notice that we can rewrite it this way. 5 choose 2, we can cancel, there's a 3 times 2 times 1 on both top and bottom. So we're left with 5 times 4 over 2 times 1, which is 10. So in general, we can say that n choose r is n times n minus 1 times all the way down to n minus r plus 1 all over r times down as far as 1. So an example of that, 10 choose 3. We go down 3 spots on the top, so it's 10 by 9 by 8. So we go on the bottom and we go down to 1, so 3 times 2 times 1, and we get 120.